Next question. Given that HCF of 306 and 657 equal to 9, find the LCM of 306 and 657. So, next question. Given that HCF of 306, 657 equal to 9, find LCM of 306 comma 657. So we already know that HCF of 306 comma 657 equal to 9, and we also know that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So HCF already they had given, that is 9, which is equal to 306 into 657. So what is LCM? So LCM equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9, that is equal to 22338. Next question. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. The next question, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Numbers are of two types. One is prime, or second one is composite. So prime numbers can be generally divided by 1 and the number itself, whereas composite numbers have factors other than 1 and itself. So it can be observed that 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, which is equal to, take 13 common, we will get 7 into 11 plus 1. That is, from these 13 and 13 we are taking common factor. So here we will get 7 into 11 plus 1, which is equal to 13 into BODMAS principle. So first, division, multiplication, addition and division, addition and subtraction. Here we are having 77 plus 1, which is equal to 13 into 78. This 78 again we can fractionalize. How we will get 13 into 6. Okay. So like that. Second, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5, which is equal to, let us take 5 outside, we will get 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 5 into this. If you multiply, we will get 1008 plus 1, that is 5 into 1009. So this cannot be factorized. So 1009 cannot be factorized further. Therefore, the given expression has 5 and 1009 as its factors. Hence, it is a composite number. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they will meet again at the starting point? Next question. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So it can be observed that Ravi take less time than Sonia for completing one round of the circular path. As they are going in the same direction, they will meet again at the same time when Ravi will have completed one round of the circular path with respect to Sonia. And the total time taken for completing this one round of circular path will be the LCM of time taken by Sonia and Ravi for completing one round of circular paths respectively. That is LCM of 18, 12. So what is 18? 18 we can write 2 into 3 into 3. And 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. So what is LCM? LCM of 12 and 18 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is, here we can write 2 into 3 square, and here we can write 2 square into 3. So 2 square 3. How much? Which is equal to 36. Therefore, Ravi and Sonia will meet together. Ravi and Sonia will meet together at the starting point after 36 minutes. If you are having any queries, please write to me. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.